Okay, guys, we have a lot of weather to talk about, including very cold weather, snow, and some strong thunderstorms moving through the southern United States. So let's get right into it. First, starting with the precipitation type, GFS models. It's looking pretty calm over the central United States. We are having kind of a drought going on, and then you can see some of those strong thunderstorms in the southeast United States. Nothing severe or anything like that, but we sure could see some flooding out of that. As we move on, we can see some snow flurries going on in the northwest United States on Saturday. So yeah, watch out for that. And then it'll kind of organize into a not as widespread system and move through the Great Lakes region with some. I think lake effect snow is also possible in that on Sunday. So watch out for that. As we move on into the future, more and more uncertain on what exactly is going to happen. We're going to be seeing some snow going on in Maine, New Hampshire, Connecticut, and upstate New York. We can see, we can see some snow up there. So pretty active forecast. And now we're looking at the jet stream. One of the most important models. Friday, we can see this very strong upper winds. That's going to push some moisture and warm air up into the Louisiana, southern Alabama, and Mississippi area, and that's what was causing those severe storms yesterday. On Wednesday, we saw some severe storms around midnight. I was going to post a video about that, but I was kind of busy yesterday. Moving on, we can see a bit of a dip in the jet stream going on in the central United States. That's not going to bring much. And then it's more and more uncertain on what's going to happen. So yeah, very active forecast. We can see another dip in the jet stream next Thursday, and that's good. That could bring some cold air and some rain or snow and all that. And then the jet stream will kind of lift over the northern United States, and that can bring some moisture. That's going to suck some moisture up into the central United States. Pretty far out, so it's hard to know exactly what's going to happen, but that's just looking possible. Now we're looking at precipitation type. We're going to get, we got more into this. We can see some snow going on in the Great Lakes region, Ohio Valley into the northeast. So a lot of snow is looking possible over the Great Lakes region in the next week or so. So now we're going to move back again to this winter storm that will affect Chicago. Not that much snow, maybe just 3 to 6 inches for Chicago, maybe even less, 2 to 4 inches. So you can see that blue spot right there near Chicago in the Great Lakes region. And then it'll be more intense over the northeast, like New Hampshire, Maine, Rhode Island, upstate New York, all those places. Now we are going to move on. This is the 8th of December. Not much is happening for central and southern United States. Right at that area that I'm circling in the northeast is going to get some snow. And then a few days after that, 2 days after that, we can see some more snow. Pretty heavy snow in the Great Lakes region into the Ohio Valley and northeast. Moving on, more and more uncertain. This is the 20th. We can see some more snow going on as far south as Kentucky and northern Tennessee. So very active forecast when it comes to snow. And this winter weather area in southern Colorado will move up into the Arkansas area, far southern Missouri. We can see some snow flurries in those areas. And then that's just going to move out into just south of New York. It's just going to kind of enter the Atlantic Ocean. The snow will kind of disappear as it heads on into the Virginias. And then another low pressure system will move through the north central United States, the Great Lakes region, into the northeast, and that's going to bring some snowfall. Now we're looking at temperatures. A negative 20-degree weather up in the northern Iowa area, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. We can see negative 20-degree weather, and that's not even wind chill. You got a high pressure system right in the center of that. That's gonna move through. That's gonna move south a little bit into the Chicago area, Great Lakes region, and then it's not gonna be as cold as it was. So yeah, negative 20-degree weather, wind chills of probably 25 to 30 negative 25 to 30 degree weather. As this moves farther south, it's going to weaken, and that cold air, it's not going to be that cold anymore. But yeah, massive polar vortex is going to move into the United States. This is going to bring like 18-degree weather as far as south as southern Missouri, northern Oklahoma, southern Kansas, Kentucky, all those places. Then after this colder moves out of the area, we can see another one coming in behind it. We around Saturday the 6th, we can see a low pressure system moving through, and that can bring some rain and snow and all that. After that moves through on Sunday the 7th, we can see another high pressure system move through, and that's going to bring some really cold air in the same places that are experiencing it right now. Now, low pressure system will move through the Tennessee and Kentucky area, and that could bring some snow and all that. Then this high pressure system will be right behind it. As soon as that moves out, area high pressure and really cold air will settle right behind it. As far south as Missouri, we can see some really cold weather in northern Arkansas and Oklahoma and all those places around Sunday and Monday. We can see some really cold air move through Sunday and Monday as far south as southern Missouri, southern Kansas, and all those places. Temperatures in the upper teens are possible. And the low pressure system could move through Iowa, bringing some snowfall, and another high pressure system will move through. So really active forecast going on in the central United States, and then some warmer air will start to move through the southern to central United States, and that's going to bring, and there's going to be a low pressure system right there with it, so that can bring some severe weather. Actually, here it is right there. Yeah, we can see temperatures in the upper 60s in Missouri, southern Missouri, Oklahoma, and all those places. Some really warm air is going to move up into Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri, and some moisture is going to move up into there. So, perfect ingredients for some strong to severe thunderstorms on the 14th, 13th, and 14th. It's really far out in the future, so it's in 10 days, so it's hard to tell if this is exactly what's going to happen, but make sure you stay tuned and subscribe as we move on, so I can keep updating you on all this weather that we're talking about. Wednesday, the 17th, we can see a low pressure system in there, and that's going to bring that can bring some snow and really cold weather and all that. That's going to move south, and another high pressure system will move through on the 20th, and that's going to bring some extremely cold weather for North Dakota into Minnesota. This is the 20th, and we're seeing a very active forecast. So make sure to like and subscribe for updates as we move on into this winter. Now we're going to move on to some radar. We're going to look at some winter storm warnings and all that, and winter weather advisories. So let's get right into it. Near the Texas Panhandle in southern Oklahoma, we're seeing a winter weather advisory. Wichita Falls, we can be seeing 2 to 4 inches of snow. Total snow and sleet accumulations up to 2 inches. So yeah, snow and sleet is expected in southern Oklahoma and northern Texas. Amarillo, I think you're going to get affected by this. You also got affected yesterday by this. We can see some snow flurries in northern Arkansas and southern Missouri. So watch out about that. Share this with anyone who lives in this winter weather advisory. Oklahoma City into Wichita Falls, Amarillo, all those places. And then it'll turn into rain in the Dallas area, so you're just going to be seeing some rain. And then, Arkansas, we're going to be seeing a lot of winter weather. Then there's a winter storm warning for southern Montana, western Wyoming, and southern Wyoming, where we can see a foot to 2 feet of snow. These are in the mountains, though, so just, letting you know. Periods of moderate to heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 12 and 24 inches. So we got a lot of snow to deal with in these areas. Idaho, eastern Idaho, you can get affected by this. Now we're going to a winter weather advisory And for Virginia's snow and mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 2 inches. A slight glaze of ice is also possible, so dangerous conditions on the roads. This includes places like Raleigh, High Point, Danville, and all those places. So yeah, we got winter weather advisories all over the United States. Just south of Washington, Greensboro, Blacksburg, Richmond, all those places. So yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more updates.